Hello guys, this is Krishna. In our previous two videos, we completely discussed about bolts for structural steel to steel connections, and in this video we'll discuss about post-installed anchors. So while watching this video, at any point of time, if you feel like this video is informative and helpful for you, please do like and subscribe. Let's get into the session. Types of post-installed anchors. Post-installed anchors are of three types based on its mechanism. One is expansion anchors, another one is screw anchors, and next adhesive, epoxy, chemical anchors. Expansion anchors are again divided into two types: wedge anchors, undercut expansion anchors. Okay, and these post-installed anchors will be used at conditions where steel is connecting to the existing concrete, and at those conditions we'll use oversized holes in the connection elements of steel. So for all these post-installed anchors, initially we'll drill the hole with a drill bit and then we'll clean the hole completely so that all the dust will be cleaned out from the hole. After that, these all installation process will begin. Now this is wedge anchor. Okay, first you will insert the bolt by tapping with a hammer into the hole, and then you will keep the washer and then you will tighten the nut. So if you tighten the nut will not go down from this surface, so automatically due to the threads, bolt will try to come out. When bolt is trying to come out, this extreme head of the bolt will go into the sleeve and the sleeve will automatically expand like this. Sleeve will automatically expand like this and it will interlock with the adjacent concrete surface. So this is the mechanism of wedge anchors. And next, undercut expansion anchors. This also in the same way, you will insert the bolt and you will tap the bolt to insert it with hammer, and then you will keep washer and nut. When tightening the nut, bolt will try to come out and this sleeves will be expanded when tip of the bolt is trying to come out, and this expanded sleeves will be interlocking with the adjacent concrete so that there will be grip for the bolt. And next, screw anchors. When it comes to screw anchors, the same way, he will drill the hole with drill bit and he'll clean the hole to remove dust completely. Then he will take the screw anchor and he will drill the screw anchor into the hole. This screw anchor will be having very big threads, and while drilling itself it will form some interlockings with the concrete. Means when he drill, these big threads will form interlockings with the adjacent concrete surface and we can't again directly remove it. So this is how screw anchors will work. And last one, adhesive or epoxy or chemical anchors. So after preparing the hole, means after drilling the hole and after cleaning the hole, this is the chemical, means this is the adhesive liquid. They will fill the hole completely with this adhesive liquid and then they will insert the rod. So this adhesive liquid will form strong bond between rod and the adjacent concrete surface, and then will provide washer and nut to tighten the bolt. So one more thing, frequently what we see in structural drawings is Hilti. Hilti is actually a brand name. Hilti is the company which will supply all these kind of post installed anchors. So Hilti is not technical name, it's a brand name. That's all about post-installed anchors. I hope you understood this session and it will clear up your confusions as well. So if you still have any doubts, please comment below. We'll see you in next session.